Non-complex thus mean minimalism. We rather believe in finding out simplest but best. This is uniquely different. That's why we called it Method in Madness. Kaira X, a new series to add to the existing innovative campaign with the faith in domestic and international market. Maybe this is the adaptability that one can use in different situations, in a luxury villa or a regular or normal condominium. This is called neutrality. To have a variety of opportunities by changing the shape, by changing the way to appear. You combine the elements to have a great modularity. The surprising part of collaborating designing is that it got perfect at the beginning, and that was really a fantastic experience. I think Kaira X has the soul of Indians. The elegance is ready to satisfy the one and all.